How to fix Blox Fruits level reset. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if your level in the Blox Fruits suddenly reset or dropped, here's how you can understand and possibly fix the problem. So Blox Fruits doesn't have a feature that resets your level unless you started a new Roblox account or you're playing in a different slot or a C or you had a temporary glitch or account syncing issue or you experienced data loss that is very rare. So how to fix a level reset? First of all, go ahead and log out and log back in. This can fix loading errors. Now completely exit the game and log out of Roblox and log back in and rejoin Blox Fruits and then check your account. Make sure that you're logged in to your main Roblox account, and switching accounts can make it seem like your progress has disappeared. So go ahead and select the correct sea or slot. Your level might seem lower if you're in a different sea or character slot, and visit the spawn NPC to switch slots, and use a portal to travel between the first, second, and the third sea. Also check for the server errors. Blox Fruits may have data loading problems due to lags or outages, so wait for a few minutes and then rejoin a new server. And check for official Blox Fruits Discord or Trello for outage information. You can also try contacting the Blox Fruits support. If your level is missing, you can go ahead and open the official Blox Fruits Discord or report form and then provide your Roblox username, the sea you were in, what happened, for example, level dropped after reset. And if you also have screenshots, you can attach them over there and they might be able to restore your data if it's a known issue. And most level resets are loading glitches or account mix-ups, and it's not permanent losses. So you can usually get back on track quickly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.